go. Let's do a little demonstration here, a little tutorial. Alright, so the normal way that we do edits to audio, or the way we've been doing it, is, of course, completely wrong, but just chopping it so that we kind of have two versions of the same file. And I'm using Command T to chop the audio. So, and then of course you would pick, different takes of whichever track. And the problem with this is that I've noticed you get pops and clicks on these cut areas where it's literally going from one file to another. So it's just not the best way of doing it. So let me undo. And the way to do it is to actually use this pencil tool. It's on this little menu right up here, where normally it's on the pointer. You click it, grab the pencil, and then I just draw in wherever I want something. Let's say I want that first part on this take, and then maybe I want it to go to this take, and then maybe I want this last piece from here. So just basically draw it in, and you can adjust exactly the point where you're drawing, and as you can see, it moves one track with the other. So you can get it very precise. And the really great thing about this, if you zoom in here, you can see that every edit, it creates a nice crossfade between the edits, which when you're really getting into some like vocal editing or something there, you can really hear the difference if you don't have that. When that's there, it just sounds nice and smooth. It just works. And then also, of course, is the benefit, it keeps the track all together. So basically I just, like, this isn't really a great example to hear, but it'll smoothly transition from this take to this take to that take, or whichever takes you want. And now you can go back in the regular fashion too. I think this works. Yeah, like I can say, oh no, I want these different takes. And it'll keep that edit point where it is. It'll just select a different track, or a different take, which is really nice. You don't have to keep readjusting this edit point, but of course you can if you want to. You just use the pencil tool. I don't think, yeah, actually no, when you have this will work. You don't even need the pencil tool now. The normal editing tool will change these too, but you can also just select different tracks. So anyway, that's really cool. And that's pretty much that. Oh, one thing I was going to show you is if you do have a bunch of tracks that are chopped up in the old school way, you may know this, I don't know. You just basically, and it's like, oh man, I want these back like they were. You just select them all, right click and hit join, and they're back together again. It even will save all the edit points in there. So, or even, I think if you've already chopped them up and selected different takes, it'll just automatically do crossfades between them when you do it like that. I think. I'm not entirely sure. But obviously you can try it. So anyway, that's it. That's the secret of life right there. Using the pencil tool. One thing I was going to say is that you can use this fade tool here too. And like on the topmost track, you can move it over and add a fade out. But the thing that's confusing about it is it doesn't show when it's collapsed. So it's there, it's fading that out nicely, but it's just, it's on this inner thing when you first flick it open. It's not on the outer track, which is stupid, but that's the way it is. So anyway, that's my songs. Thanks very much. Whoops. How do I get out of this thing?